Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Wrangler windshield. First, gather your essential tools, including a Torx T40 bit, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. Inside the Jeep, fold down both sun visors and carefully detach the rearview mirror. Next, locate and disconnect the windshield washer hose and any electrical connections that run along the frame. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Moving on, it's time to detach the windshield frame from your Jeep. You'll need to remove the 6 Torx T40 bolts that secure the frame to the vehicle's body. These are typically found along the top and sides. After the bolts are out, carefully lift the windshield wipers from their posts and set them aside. Double-check that all wiring and hoses are completely free and clear before proceeding to the next step. Now for the main event, lifting the windshield. This part requires a second person due to the windshield's weight and size, ensuring safety and preventing damage. With assistance, gently pull the entire windshield frame away from the vehicle's body. Once it's free, carefully carry the removed windshield and place it on a soft, protected surface, like a moving blanket or a padded workbench. This prevents scratches or cracks. Safety is paramount throughout this process, so always wear safety glasses and protective gloves to prevent injury. When you're ready to reinstall your windshield, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all bolts are tightened correctly and connections are secure for proper alignment. Remember, taking your time will ensure a successful reinstallation. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.